Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. In this video we're gonna presenting about export and import in Indonesia for our business English assignment. But before that, let us introduce ourselves. Let me start first. My name is Naila Zafira.
My name is Naila Kamila.
Start from Indonesia economy and trade. GDP and trade role. Indonesia is the 16th largest economy in the world by nominal GDP. Trade, both import and export, represent a substantial portion of its economic activity, with export typically accounting for around 20 to 25% of its GDP. Next, chart driving factors. Indonesia is rich in resources, has large and growing consumer market, and Indonesia also the member of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations or ASEAN, and is engaged in multiple global trade agreement. Next, we're gonna explain about Indonesia's main export. First, from commodities and natural resources. There are palm oil, coal, crude, petroleum and natural gas, rubber, tea, cocoa, and coffee. Next, there is agricultural product. There are corn, cassava, many spices like salt, pepper, and many more. Seafood like fish, crab, and many more. And fruits like tropical fruits like banana, mango, and etc. Next is manufactured goods. There are textile and apparel, and electronic and electrical machinery. Next, I'm gonna explain about the major export market. First, China. Indonesia's largest trading partner, particularly for coal, palm oil, and other natural resources. Second, Japan. Major importer of coal, natural gas, and electronics. Third, United States. Import textile, agricultural products like coffee and cocoa, and some natural resources. Fourth, India. A significant importer of palm oil and coal. Last but not least, other ASEAN countries. Regional trade agreements and economic cooperation have made ASEAN an important trade partner. After explaining about the export, now I'm gonna explaining about Indonesian main imports. First, from the machinery and equipment, electrical machinery and equipment, vehicles, and industrial machinery. Next, chemical, petrochemicals, and pharmaceuticals. Next, energy products, crude oil and refined petroleum, and liquefied natural gas or LNG. Then there are consumer goods, electronics and telecommunication equipment, and luxury goods. Now I'm gonna explain the major import market. First, China. The largest source of import including machinery, electronics, chemicals, and textile. Second, Singapore. A significant supplier of refined oil, chemical, and machinery. Third, Japan. Imports of vehicles, machinery, and industrial parts. Fourth, the United States. Significant import of electronics, aircraft, and machinery. 5. South Korea. Supplies Indonesia with machinery, vehicles, and petrochemical products.
Thank you, Naila, for explaining our previous presentations. Now it's about the Indonesian trade balance. Trade surplus or deficit. Indonesia has historically run a trade surplus due to its strong export sector, particularly in commodities like coal, palm oil, and natural gas. However, in recent years, the trade balance has fluctuated, while exports of natural resources have provided substantial revenue. Imports of oil, machinery, and consumer goods have led to trade deficits in some years. What is the factors affecting trade balance? The first factor is global commodity prices. Indonesia's dependence on commodity exports makes it vulnerable to fluctuations in global prices. The second reason is exchange rate. The value of the Indonesian rupiah can influence trade, affecting export competitiveness and import costs. And lastly is because of the economic policies. Government policies that promote industrialization, import substitutions, or trade agreement can impact trade balance. And lastly is about our conclusions. In our conclusions, Indonesia trade sectors is diverse with both opportunities and challenge as the country works to modernize its economy, reduce reliance on raw material exports, and strengthen its positions in global supply chains.
So that's all about our presentation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And thank you very much. Goodbye.